Hey everyone, this is Ganesh. I was working in the IT as a manual tester. I want to change my profile from manual to automation. So I got through a lot of institute, which is the best institute for teaching automation testing in Bangalore. So finally, I got to know that Jayendra's Institute, that is keys to Java Selenium earlier. Now it's Javalaya. So I joined the institute, and first 10 days a demos class. I attended the demos class completely, and I got to know that the way he understands Java is completely different from others. And for me it looks different, the way he understands Java, the way he explained the concept and everything. So I felt very satisfied. And one more thing, like, he always tell us to write a code in notepad and compile it and execute it. It's completely different from others. Everyone will write it in an eclipse and execute it. But why he is did in the sense, he wants to understand how the compiler works behind the scene in Java. So that through that only I got to know that how Java works behind it. The way he explains about the workflow of each and every concepts instead of explaining theoretically. So I like the most the way he is teaching it. So and then I and after some point, initially he guided us to teach Java, but after some point he tell to us how to learn Java by our own, by using how we can go through the documentations, how we have to explore it, how what are the new updations coming in Java, so how we have to learn each and everything. So he explained all those things. So I like the way he explained the concepts, and he makes me so strong at Java as a basement. I was enrolled myself as a automation testing using Selenium, Java Selenium, but he completely explained only Java concepts almost 6 to 7 months. So he first of all he is very interested to learn only Java. His intention is not that each and every student should be learn Selenium or anything. He wants to make the basement of basement should be so strong. So if you know Java, his intention is our students should not stick into only one programming language. Even if new upgradation comes, if new language comes in sense, so our students should be able to learn new languages. So he always says one statement that all the programs are completely similar. There is no change in terms of workflow wise. Syntax will be differs, but workflow will be becomes same. So if you know the workflows, if you know how that interpreted language or compilation language, whatever it is, it should the flow will be become same. So you should learn only syntax for each and every language. So it should be helpful for your career. And then if you learn Java in the Genesis Institute, if you go to new if you select in another company, if you want to work with the C sharp or a .NET and everything, you can able to adapt it, because here only syntax will be differs, the workflow will be become same. So it's very easy to learn new languages. So he only teaches how to learn new language, and that's the way I like it. So because of his training, I can able to work on not only Selenium, I can able to experience on UI testing, mobile testing, API testing. Now working on Salesforce oriented technologies. So everything is a basement is Java. Because of his training only, I can able to grow very well, and now I know where I'm right now in terms of professional wise. And thank you so much for all the guidance to grow myself in professionally. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And I strongly recommend that everyone should join Java Institute for upskill yourself in your career. And thanks a lot.